Hello students. Now already you have got the revised syllabus of 2021, that is 30% has been deducted. Now how to prepare for this 70%, the split up of syllabus, that is in which month which topics we have to cover, how to write the practical files, when to design the project. So this is discussed in split up syllabus. So we are discussing today all the split up syllabus. Now let us start with our syllabus. So we know that our syllabus, in our syllabus 30% has been deducted. So we have already started in the month of April. So here the marks distribution, that is from Python 40 marks, from networking 10 marks, and from MySQL data management 20 marks. So we have to go through the Python portion 40 marks, this is very important, as well as the data management, that is 20 marks. So 60 marks will be covered. Then networking is very easy, it is theoretical, so 10 marks from networking. So we will start, we have already started the revision of the basic of Python. So the deleted portion, we have already seen the deleted portion. In deleted portion only recursion, idea of efficiency is deleted. From this stack or queue one will come. So here it is written, it will be optional. So any one or in our question it will be asked. Then from networking, web scripting, server side, client side has been removed, and e-commerce has been removed. From database management, select query is there, create table, drop, only these other than the select query, the other DDL and DML commands have been removed. So we have already started in the month of April, revision portion of class 11th. Now functions also we have started, all these topics we have done. So you go through scope, parameter passing, mutable, immutable. So function will be covered in the month of April, we have already covered. Practicals also we have done, practical file we have to complete it. Next, in the month of May and June, that is before the summer vacation and after the summer vacation, the data file handling, the three types, text file, binary file and CSV file we have started with. And text file we have already done the questions. The practical portion we are doing now. So the practical portion, all questions you have to cover given in the practical file. Already in the syllabus, revised syllabus, the practical questions have been given at the end. So here you go through the practical questions, and these questions you have to solve. Other than this, total 20 questions we have to solve. So the other list also I will share. Then in the month of July, this text file practicals. After that, the binary file, all the binary files we have to cover, including the pickle module, that is load dump. So these programs also we have to write in our practical copy. So this will be completed in the month of July, the complete binary file. Then the CSV files, so how to open, how to close, all the commands, reader, writer, write row, write rows, all the different commands. In August we will do it. Then using Python libraries, create and import Python libraries we have to do. Now in data structure, so from here you have already seen the recursion portion and the idea of efficiency that has been removed. Clear? Algorithmic efficiency has been removed. And here also you can see from stack and queue, any one means it will be in OR. So we will do both the stack as well as queue, we will do it. In exam you will be asked only one. Next is computer networking. In the month of September we have to start. So evolution of networking we have to do. Data communication terminologies, transmission media, network devices, then gateways, network topologies and types, all the different topologies and all the different networking types. Then network protocol. So here the complete syllabus is there, except the e-commerce portion has been removed. At the end you have seen the deleted portion here. So in the deleted portion you can see here what has been removed. Only the web scripting, only the server side and client side, which are the web scripting softwares, and the e-commerce payment mode. So this much only has been removed. Rest all we have to do, all the case study. So from, you might have seen the sample question paper. In the sample question paper, I think it will remain the same, only instead of recursion a function will be asked. Only in the paper idea of efficiency, no question was asked in the sample question paper. The rest all are same except one question, that is recursion, was asked. So instead of recursive function, only a simple function program will be asked. So rest will remain the same. Now in the month of October, all the network security concepts, India IT Act, all the laws, introduction to web services. So these are the portion which we have to cover. Now in the month of November, we have to cover the syllabus, because in December you have to give your pre-board exams, which covers the whole syllabus, as well as the revision we have to start. So database management, here you have already seen what has been removed: create table, drop table, alter table. So all the select queries will be asked. Select queries with distinct, like you have seen the sample question paper, in that all the select queries are asked, and this will be of 20 marks, complete data management 20 marks, and theory was also asked. Now here you have seen the interface of Python and MySQL or SQL database. Now this, in project you have to use this connectivity, that is interface of Python with MySQL. So here the complete connection, as well as in practical file, 4 practicals you have to write from this. So we will start in December we will start our pre-board exams, revision. In the month of January, from 15th of January, your board practical starts, and in the month of February your board exam begins. So all the best for your board exams. Now practical portion also, Python programs, 20 programs we will write, and I will share with you the practical list. I will try to share in the description box also all the practical list and all these details. So this is your split up syllabus. You go through the split up syllabus. I will just share in the description portion, and you start preparing accordingly, so that at the end of the year you don't face any problems. So project work is to be given 6 months earlier. So at the July end, I will give you all the project work. Before that, I will teach you the connectivity, because connectivity you have to use in your project, and project work to be assigned 6 months earlier. So in the July month only I should assign you all the projects. So individually you select your projects. You have seen here which project, which type of project you have to Now here you can see the practical list, as well as the project in practical list database management is also there. Now here in project, what they have written, that the project using Python and SQL connectivity. So connectivity, I will explain you nicely how to connect MySQL with Python. I will give you all the links of the videos in the description, so that you can go through the connectivity portion also. And 6 months before, so in July, all the project names I will give you, assign you all the projects, so you can go through. Now real life you have to collect all the datas, and then you will start with your project. So this also I am just pasting it. Now here you cannot copy it from internet. You can see here that you cannot copy it from internet or anywhere else. It should be designed by you. One check is there. You have seen in Google Classroom also that anybody can check if you have copied from somewhere else. Option is given. So this is your new syllabus, revised syllabus, and the marking you have seen, 40 marks from Python you will get, 10 from networking, and from MySQL database management 20 marks. So like this you start preparing, and I think now the syllabus is very easy. So I think you all have understood now how to prepare it, and so let us stop here. So have a nice day. Thank you.